Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Enchanted Moon. I have another witchy unboxing for you. This is from Sugar Muses, and it's Midnight Muses. Just the regular one. Ow, a little cut. So I'm excited to share. Salt and Sea. The theme is salt and sea. Again, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, right off the bat, we have this beautiful artwork with a beautiful mermaid. Look at this, so pretty, very pretty. Then we have a oracle card, and it's Mermaid Explorer. Maps show what already has been discovered. Go another way. Very cute. All right, right off the bat, I see a green beeswax candle. I'll have to adjust it. It fell in a little bit, the wax, but very cute beeswax. It smells delightful. We have a bubbled item here. Let's see what's in this wonderful item. Ooh. Salt and Sea. Look how pretty this is. Perfume oils. Her perfume oils are beautiful and smell wonderful. Then we have something in here. Let's see. Ooh, little bottles. I love little bottles. We have a bottle of sea salt. We have black salt and pink salt. Cute little bottles. Okay. Then we have this beautiful black polka dotted bag tied with a perfect bow. What's in this? What's in this? It's a big rough stone. I can't tell, but it is very shiny. Very cool. It looks like it's gonna be a little broom. I'm excited. Broom. Wow. Look at this broom. Look at this. It has this on here for protection, that's for sure. Take this little sticky because it protects the point, which is absolutely beautiful. And look how beautiful this is. That is gorgeous. I love it. Love it. And then we have our herb, which is elemental water. Big blend. Then we have our incense sticks, which are driftwood. And our last item is Silver Mint Organic Tea, big, and a throwaway tea bag. Always cute box. Okay, let me see what the paper, and her paperwork, like I said, is gorgeous. It has the imprint of the beautiful mermaid in there. Okay, the items are driftwood incense, salt trio bottles, salt and sea perfume oil, elemental water herb blend, beeswax candle, raw Himalayan salt, gemstone, altar broom, silver mint organic tea, siren art, and intuitively drawn inspirational card. Salt has been used magically throughout history. One of the most common magical acts is throwing salt over your left shoulder after smelling some, which was considered to be an omen of bad luck. It was believed that evil sits on the left shoulder, so throwing salt at it would prevent bad luck from happening. The other well-known magical use of salt is for casting a circle, which has been modified in modern practice so the cleanup is easier. Crystals and other tools can be cleansed by placing them in a bowl of salt, sea salt overnight. It can be added to sprays to use around doorways, windows, and thresholds to create a protective barrier. A ritual bath with sea salt can be effective in removing negative energy. Salt is considered to be a pure and sacred substance that has the ability to cleanse, purify, and has endless magical uses. The items in this box can be used as listed or separately. Whenever possible, products are made from scratch. Please use caution when burning incense and candles. And of course, perform a test patch before using anything topically. We hope you enjoy this box. Blessed be. And then in the back, it has some goodies for us to read. So, it goes over the driftwood incense. This is a blend of blonde woods and non-endangered Australian sandalwood. It smells so good. Sandalwood also corresponds with the moon and water. Then salt trio. Sea salt, black salt, and pink salt can be placed upon your altar or added to spell bags. Sea salt can be used for purification, protection, and purging unwanted energies. Black salt can be used in different ways. This salt is volcanic rock produced with Himalayan regions. In the Himalayan regions, it's a potent substance often used for banishing, binding, and protection. Pink salt is another word for Himalayan salt. It gets its pink hue from the iron in it, which makes it a potent warding ingredient. It can be used in spells of friendship, love, healing, and protection. So we got our cute little salts in the cute little bottles. Open the third eye. Anoint the space between your eyes on your forehead with a mixture of pink salt and moon water. Massage clockwise with your index finger. The salt and sea perfume oil. Shake gently before using. This is made with, does not tell you, but it must say on the side here. It does. Notes of sea salt and kelp and sea moss is the scents. And some elemental herb. Here is a blend of olive leaf and other herbs. Beeswax candles can be lightly rolled in urge for burning. Beeswax candle. Placed upon your altar to promote release, healing, and going with the flow of the universe. Then the raw Himalayan salt. This is really pretty. Has a gentle but strong grounding and centering energies and is said to bring abundance and prosperity into the home. Place upon your altar, alone or group with other crystals. And the main beautiful piece, look at this. It's not giving you the rainbow, but it is really pretty. This looks like aventurine or aquamarine in here. Maybe aquamarine. Altar brooms are used for cleansing up the surface of altars and workspace. Featuring blue apatite or fluorite, which adds the magical properties of water to the magical tool. The tip of the gemstone may have protective piece that can be removed, which I did. I'm assuming mine is green fluorite. And this is not blue apatite. So it's going to be green fluorite for sure. And this one, I'm not 100% sure what the middle is. But this is beautiful. Anyway, moving on. The tea obviously is good for grounding. After spells and rituals. Beautiful bag. And the artwork is from Sea Melodies Inspirational Deck. And then the Siren Art Book of Shadows. Always beautiful. So I love July's Midnight Muses, and look for my Midnight Muses Deluxe when I get it in, and Sugar Muses Deluxe when I get them in for July. Thanks for watching, guys.